Today the topic is India's highest civilian honors from 1954 to present. The structure of Padma Awards hierarchy. Announced annually on the eve of Republic Day, the Padma Awards recognize distinguished high order service. They are regulated by a strict selection of cap of 120 awards within a singular calendar year. The Padma Vibhushan, concerned to recognize exemption and distinguished service across any human domain. It reserves the second highest civilian honor on the country. Landmark present era Padma Vibhushan recipients. The selection broad focuses intensively on lifetime achievement profiles. Shri Dharmendra Singh Deol, legendary multi-decade cinematic star and cultural icon. Shri K. T. Thomas, renowned jurist and former Justice of Supreme Court of India. M.S. Rajan, acclaimed violin virtuoso and educator of Hindustani classical traditions. Shri P. Narayan, respected academic leader and literary scholar. Shri V.S. Achyutanandan, transformational public figure and former Chief Minister of Kerala. The Padma Bhushan, granted to acknowledge the service of high order, it acts as third highest civilian honor, bridging globally exceptional with widespread domestic regional impact. Landmark present era Padma Bhushan recipients. M.S. Alka Yagnik, art, playback vocal music from Maharashtra state. Shri Mamuthi, art, cinema acting from state of Kerala. Shri Yadav Kotak, field, trade and industry in banking from Maharashtra state. Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari, public affairs from state of Uttarakhand. Shri Kalipatti Palaniswamy, from field of medicine in the state of Tamil Nadu. Dr. Nuri Dattayadedu, from medicine field, state of United States of America. Shri Piyush Pandey, from field of art and state Maharashtra. Shri K.M. Malayanandan, social work, Tamil Nadu. Shri R. Ganesh, art, literature and Astavananda from Karnataka state. Shri Shibu Sirion, public affairs from the state of Jharkhand. Shri V.K. Malhotra, public affairs from the state of Delhi. Shri Vellappa Nathanson, from public affairs and social service, Kerala. Shri Vijay Amitaraj, sports tennis representation in United States of America. The Padma Shri. The Padma Shri constitutes the largest wing of Indian honors architecture. It is designed to recognize distinguished service in any field. In recent years, the selection framework has evolved to highlight unsung heroes, individuals working at grassroots level in tribal medical care, local forest restoration, traditional art presentation and communication educational achieves far removed from urban media attention. Prominent highlights from recent Padma Shri selection. Recent selection include over 120 awards reflecting diverse achievements across sports, science, community welfare and arts, athletic achievements and sports leadership. Shri Rohit Sharma from state of Maharashtra, legendary cricket captain, honored following prominent title campaigns at ICC T20 World Cup and global tournaments. M.S. Harmanpreet Kaur, sports, state of Punjab, veteran women's cricket captain recognized for leading the national side milestone victories. M.S. Savita Punia from states of Haryana, elite international hockey goalkeeper celebrated for defensive leadership on the world stage. Sri Baldev Singh from state Punjab, eminent hockey mentor acknowledged for developing grassroots talent pools. Sri Walder Mesvitrivili, sports, Georgia, elite freestyle wrestling coach honored for building India's Olympic wrestling frameworks. In field of science and engineering, specialized medical tiers. Sri A. Mutyayanam, science engineering and state of Kerala, pioneer space systems except recognized for fundamental efforts in liquid rocket propulsion architectures. M.S. Armida Fernandez, from state of Maharashtra, neonologist and celebrated for establishing maternal infant intensive care and human milk balancing infrastructure. Arctic presentation and structural social architecture. Sri Anil Kumar Rastogi, from state of Uttar Pradesh and distinguished theatre academician and film personality. Sri Anke Gowda, social work and state of Karnataka. rural literacy advocate who built an accessible community library of over 1 billion books. Sri Big Lal Bhatt from state of Jammu and Kashmir honored for dedicated community integration work. Dr. Budri Tati from state of Chhattisgarh dedicated tribal healthcare professional providing medical treatments across remote forestal states. Note President's Matrix Bharat Ratna first, Bharat Padma Vibhushan second, and Padma Bhushan third, Padma Shri fourth. Constitutional status per Article 18 of the Constitution of India. These civilian decorations and honors or can't be used for prefixes and suffixes as recipient's name. Historical bounds. The awardees are being suspended only during brief historical windows 1997 to 1980 and 1992 to 1995 due to constitutional challenges. Thank you.